Welcome back. It says ways should make BTC legal tendency like El Salvador. So live on CoinMarketCap's blog, Alexandria. Article was done by Connect 17. It says here table of contents, working alone part. So whales should follow in El Salvador's footsteps by embracing Bitcoin as legal tender. A local politician has said. So Councillor Will Thomas believes that the cryptocurrency has the potential to underpin the world's financial system one day, and is calling on the country to become an early adopter. Speaking to Wheels Online, he said, the cryptocurrency industry is still a wild west. Bitcoin is different to this. Thomas went on to describe the technology as very exciting and argued that its increasing value incentives uh, consumers to spend rather than save. Inevitably, not everyone agrees with these assessments of things. The Simon Root King, a lecturer at economist at Florence University, told the publication. So the fact that Bitcoin is not anchored by government means that it is susceptible to wider swings in value and ultimately has potential to collapse. So guys, we have what we have CoinMarketCap podcast here, which we're giving to the baby. Working on only parts, El Salvador sparked controversy when it announced plans to elevate Bitcoin to the same status as US dollar. So the Central American nation never received a stem money from the International Monetary Fund. As of now, it remains the only country to take the plunge and embrace the world's biggest cryptocurrency as legal tender. However, a number of Latin American countries have expressed an interest in it. So, guys, say this comes against a backdrop of growing concerns about inflation and has the potential to diminish the spending power of everyday consumers. So, critics argue that while the current levels of inflation are a concern, Bitcoin isn't an effective solution because of how it fluctuates in value. So, this week's brutal activity in the market undoubtedly for the argument. So, guys, these are the basics. These are the latest updates on CoinMarketCap Alexandria on Wheels. So, guys, feel free to like, share, subscribe, and stay safe, guys. Peace out. Shibari Keys.